Komachielo en ni Jatend migao mar arita kwe maiye Kipchumba Murkomen koro dwaro mondo tesend obila duto te pachoka obed kod wang' dede kata tipo mar CCTV mar yango gigo mabende dhi nyime tesend obila duto te mabende nitiere e pachoka mangima.
On CCTV surveillance, it shall be mandatory to equip police stations with CCTV surveillance to enhance transparency and accountability. All the police stations currently standing at 1,209 shall have CCTV surveillance within the next 2 years. We shall be making proposals to Parliament to enact laws that criminalize tampering with CCTV cameras. The surveillance system shall be in the custody of the officer commanding station, and the said officer shall be required to ensure that the system is always functioning, and instances of fault, it shall be reported within 1 hour through the established chain of command. The CCTV shall have an external backup system.
Murkomen bende owacho ni tesend obila duto te ma pachoka onego ti kod yor lony manyasani e kano nonro duto mabende gin godo kanyakla kod lipode mabende goyo e tesend obila go.
Over the next 1 year, and in line with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda program of digitization, we shall roll out a digital reporting system. This is a reform that has been initiated, and we are now committed to the digitization of occurrence books to ensure all reported incidences can be traced and be tamper-proof. 3, community policing initiative. Every police station shall be mandated to adopt and steer community policing models to improve relations with citizens.
Murkomen bende koro